Silver traded with a modest bullish bias last week, where it has recovered from the lows at 27.30 till towards the highs at 29.20. The it has shown a signs of reversal, but it has failed to break the key resistances which I have shared in the last week update and in my daily update as well, towards 29.20, 29.50. Can we say that, and see, towards the end of the week we have seen a major correction here. Can we say that now the silver is turning bearish with the recession fears gearing in for US, the demand slowing down? Can we say that silver is also going to continue with the crash what we have seen in the indices, or there is a possibility of a reversal, thinking of the metals as a safe haven? What is going to be our strategy in order to profit trading silver in the coming week and in the month of August? We are going to see with the help of charts and indicators. And towards the end of this update, I'll be sharing the trading levels and strategies. So watch till the end. And this is the only channel to give you two updates every day for silver. First with the Asia and Europe session, next with the US session. Thus subscribe and press the bell icon. Do like, share and comment. Join the free Telegram channel and join the channel memberships here on YouTube. Let's start. What silver has done on the 4-hour chart, see, it has crossed over here on the sell side at the top at 31, 31.50, and since then we have seen it trading bearish. This was the first retracement after the drop. This is the second retracement. Now most importantly, we have seen it falling shy from the 29.50 levels, and if you draw a parallel you can find a formation like this. Where are the lows here? Towards 27.20, $27 levels, and see 29.40 here, 29.20, 25 here, and if you look at 27.30, so 27.20, $27 levels could be the lows it may try to achieve if it continues to trade bearish. Remember, only bullishness in silver is if you see it trading above 29.50 levels. Again and again I have highlighted this level. Now look at the formation here in silver. The rise was a bit gradual, then the retracement was sharp, then the rise, and in single candle it is all the gains here. Now what has happened after the drop? It has tried to retrace. It is almost retraced 50% here, and it is close towards 28.60 level. Now 28.60, 28.80 indeed is a good resistance here for silver. So this is something you should watch out for. Also after the drop, I can see it is still trading in this bullish channel. That's very, very important for us to observe how silver behaves at $28 levels. Very good support is seen there. 27.75 the next, and 27.50 the third. If these three levels are taken, this time $27 levels is a must, and in the month of August we can see it in fact trading below 27. It can in fact move towards 26 as well. Now why this could happen? Let's have a further look. See, stochastic on the 4-hour charts, after forming double bottom, it is trying to rise. A little bullish indication on the 4-hour charts, but look at the MACD. What MACD has done, double bottom is formed, a retracement, a good retracement. Now it is trying to retrace. So this is the main trend, and this is the retracement which it could. But even this minor retracement can take it below 26 before it tries to bounce back. The RSI has dropped as well. Coming to the day, on the daily charts, see, this was the last time when the moving averages have crossed over on the buy side. It was way back in the month of March this year. Now if you look at since the beginning of the month of March, it is almost 5 months that it is consistently traded in this bullish channel. Moving average was running parallel. After 5 months, now it has shown a crossover for sell, and these are trading with divergence. This is definitely a bearish sign here. It can continue here for a while on the down. Also, if you look at the daily charts, lower highs are seen here, lower lows are seen here. After the drop, it is trading in this sideways bearish channel. On the upside, 29.50, the critical milestone for it to break beyond. In fact, 29.80 and 30 also you should include, because beyond 30 we are looking forward to $32 levels as the next milestones. But if you look at this, what has happened on the daily charts? Couple of bullish candle, one pullback, and then a swing candle here. Now the swing candle has delivered higher, slightly higher highs and lower, and it is closed in a doji. So the coming week, first session might remain a bearish session where the prices may try to in fact move towards 27.50 and lower levels. and you have to watch out how it behaves at around 28, because below 28 there is going to be sharper bearishness. So yes, you can sell at 28.40 itself when the day starts in the coming week, and in fact you can look forward to a little retracement. However, that is just the one part of it. The week will begin with, possibly begin with that, and then if it fails to break below the support, it can recover strongly as well. Right now, the moving averages are certainly a sign of bearishness. On the upside, remember one fact: for the month of August, as long as 2950 is not taken, do not treat silver as bullish. Remember this fact. Stochastic here is retest. Now look at MACD. MACD traded bearish. It is on the verge of a crossover. It is converged, but it has failed to crossover. Drop, retracement, drop. Now this is one sign which suggests that there could be a retracement, but it is not necessary always. See what has happened: when it was bullish, it has hit the highs in a single flow. Now when it is bearish, it can hit the lows in a single go as well. Right now it is at minus 50, whereas the lows can be, it can move towards minus 100, which means if it requires, and yes, by the time it hits minus 100, already it will be at around 24-25 dollar levels. But let's not keep such expectation and just have a look with the open mind. RSI comfortable. Coming to weekly, on the weekly charts, what has happened after staying or consolidating here for weeks, it has given a breakout, and we have predicted this breakout as well in the year beginning itself, that silver might give a breakout. It has moved toward $32 levels. What has happened since then? Finding the resistance intact at 32, 31.5, and the divergence of the price from the moving average, it has converged towards the 20 period moving average. Now again, most important is it has closed above the 20 period moving average. The second thing is what it has delivered in the last week is lower highs, lower lows. After two sharp bearish candle, it has just strengthened or consolidated its position. So now in the coming week, possibly once it stays below 27, then you can say that now this is the breakout which we are waiting for, and we will look forward to 26.40 and 26 at the next milestone, and below that a sharper correction may prevail. Yes, if it breaks below 26.40, 26, you can say that the next round of correction is going to begin here. Right now, it is not showing much signs for it. Remember this fact. Stochastic has already hit a bottom, so chances for recovery is there. But look at MACD. This is though it is not that the silver cannot hit the highs here. Look what the highs it has hit post COVID. But looking at the formation rise, retracement rise, this magnitude and this magnitude are of same size, thus it has started to retrace. Lot much of ground available on the downside, and even if it has to achieve higher highs, it can try to hit the lows. So next few weeks might remain in the bearish side. It can try to converge, but failing to cross over, we can see it is staying in the bearish zone. The RSI has dropped. Coming to now, this is important on the monthly charts. Look at the last few. See a stronger breakout here from 22 to 32. We have seen it covering up almost 50%. And after a 50% rise, now if you look at the median, where is the somewhere here at around $27 levels, 26.50 levels. So that is going to be the 50% retracement. Now look at the last few candles here. You will find the last 3 months it has traded outside Bollinger Bands. It has forced the bands to expand, and the closing of these candles are towards in red. Now see where the last candle is closed. This is closed in a doji. This is a sign of indecision. What has happened this time? It has started on a flat note and it is looking downwards. And if you track, first the doji preceded a bearish candle, then this doji or indecision candle. Thus, the current candle might have a body bigger than this, which suggests that in the current month, silver might slump towards 27 or in fact 26 levels. Now, another way to look at it is the divergence of the price from the moving average. Where is the moving average sitting? Now at 25.50, $25 levels. Now, in fact, it can be a bigger slump as well, but you have to be careful with the support levels. Very strong support level is seen here. Now on the upside, if you see it trading beyond, because see these are markets, you have to keep a check on both the ways it could trade on. Higher lows are respected right now. If it breaks beyond 29.20, 29.50, it is going to lead to a higher highs as well. Remember, these are markets. What it shows is not the case, and what it does not show is possibly the direction it wants to take. Thus, you have to be careful here. At 29.50, we have to turn ourselves bullish. Right now, it is very much on the bearish sides of it. Stochastic looking down, the MACD on the monthly charts, after crossing over here, now it has started to diverge, and it appears it has got lot much of room on the upside. The RSI is flat. So now we have seen the charts, we have seen the indicators. Time for me to give you the trading levels, observation, summary, and the profit strategy. And before I share the trading levels, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. And if you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Write an email or ping me over Telegram for your queries related to the services. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates. And those who had asked me to recommend a broker which offers you a swap free account, lowest spreads, and no hidden charges, and yes, with global presence and offers you global instruments as well. Do find the recommended broker in the channel and video description. Now, first, let's talk about the levels. Now here I will recommend the 28.75, 28.80 first resistance zone. Remember, till 29.20, 29.50 we should be very cautious with the buying entries. Prices can reverse again on the downside. Beyond this, you can look forward to 29.00, 29.20 levels as the next resistance zone. This is going to be a prime resistance here on the upside, and a breakout beyond this should take it towards 29, 40 and 50. Now see, very nearby, but we cannot avoid this. These are stronger resistances on the upside. If it stays beyond 29.75, stay bullish. We are looking forward to $30 levels as the next targets, and beyond this we can in fact look forward to 30.8, 31 and 31.4 levels. Chances for this, as far as I am concerned, chances for this happening remains less, but markets are not about what I am concerned of. They know that what to do, when to do, and how to do. So just I am sharing my experience. These are 29.50 are going to be very critical, and 29, 29.20 are also extremely critical here on the upside. On the downside, a selling entry can be taken at 28.40 levels, then expect 28.20, 28. Now till 28, extremely important support levels exist. Below this, you can look forward to 27.75, 27.50. Then this time I will be looking forward to $27 levels as the next milestone which it would like to achieve. There are greater supports available here on the downside. Below 27, it is directly going to be 26.40, 25.80 and 25.50 levels. Now this is for the complete month of August. In worst case, it may try to slide strongly and move towards 25.50, but chances of such a stronger slide also appears to be less, but these are markets. Possibly a bearish month ahead. Take your positions accordingly, take your trades accordingly. Like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not miss to watch the daily updates for silver. This gives you a fair idea on how to trade and how to profit. Thus, like, share, join the free Telegram channel. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading week and a happy weekend.